that is the line for the Dumbo ride, which I think I just got out of view, so you can't see it. But we've got Mickey Mouse over there, and can't really read that, I'm not an old English speaker, and Peter Pan's flight over there. Now I'm here in Disneyland Paris. This video is dedicated to the lovely Jewish princesses who for some reason do not reside in Fantasyland, which is where I am, and I'm quite confused. Even though I do hope you guys are having a brilliant time in Long Island, in Miami, and Sam, I don't quite remember where you went. All I do know is that there is a huge issue with it because you're not right here in Fantasyland being the princesses that you guys are. Anyways, I just wanted to say hello, how do you do? I'm having the time of my life here in Paris. It's absolutely amazing. Oh look, there's the Dumbos. They're coming down right now. I don't know if you can see it, but I certainly can. So I guess, you know what, sucks for you if you can't. Anyways, oh, we've got that dude from Alice in Wonderland. I think that's the cat. I got to confess, I've never seen that. Oh, I hope I wasn't in your shot. Anyways, I hope you're having a great time during your spring break, and I can't wait to see you back in Prague again. And I'm going to end this on Alice's Curious Mountain and this shot in the background and this trash can.